Welcome. Today we will explore how ASP.NET works with Internet Information Services or IIS. IIS is a web server created by Microsoft for hosting web applications and services. IIS hosts ASP.NET applications, manage application pools for performance, and provide security features. ASP.NET applications are hosted on IIS, which processes incoming requests and serves the appropriate content. Application pools isolate different web applications, improving security and reliability by running them in separate processes. To configure IIS for ASP.NET, you need to install ASP.NET features, configure sites, and set up security and authentication. You can deploy ASP.NET applications using Visual Studio, publishing manual FTP uploads, or web deploy for automated deployment. IIS provides tools for monitoring application performance, logging errors, and troubleshooting issues. Using IIS with ASP.NET allows for efficient hosting, enhanced security, and robust management of web applications. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.